Hey guys, just like to welcome you all to the first video for this new channel that I'll be making that I mentioned in my blog about the HDMI cable. Okay, so we'll start off. I ordered this last Thursday. It said it would take 3 to 5 days. It got here on Monday. It's from down in Victoria, so I don't know if many of you know that, but that's the next state over. It's a fair while. So yeah, it's going to be an unboxing. I've already opened it just to see what was in there and all. So we'll get the paperwork out. Yeah, it's really hard to do one-handed. Yeah. Alright, so bought this online on eBay. See, it's my tax invoice, blah blah blah. Here's the important bits. Oh no, turn that off. Alright, so it's a 2 meter HDMI cable, 1.4V 3D high speed with Ethernet, HEC, Full HD, 1080p digital. And yep, it cost me $5, well $4.95 with nothing, and so in total it's $4.95. Merchandise total was $4.95. The shipping and handling was free. So yeah, and the total was that and that. Okay, so on to the review and unboxing. Take it out of the box, and here it is. Okay, so basically a HDMI cable replaces all the composite cables, so your yellow, red and your white. So you can allow to have everything in one, and it's just a faster and better cable. It also allows you to hook up computers to screens, like I've got here with my Dick Smith. I don't know how big it is, but yeah. So I'm gonna have this, and I'm gonna have a little bit of me opening it. One second. Alright, so yeah, it's $5. Cost me $5 online. First feel feels pretty good, sturdy, nice rubber outer coating. Got to get the cable ties, whatever you want to call these, twist ties. Alright, so it's a 2 meter cable, cost me $5. All that, blah blah. And I'm gonna set this up from my laptop to my screen, and we'll have a look at how it goes. So it's a decent length cable. Straighten it out a little, pull the kinks out. Okay. So we'll open up my laptop here. It's an MSI something, I don't know. I've had it for a while now. And we'll take the HDMI cable and get it down there, somewhere in there. There's a little hole for this, so that plugs straight in there, if I can get it. Yep, that plugs in there, and then that'll wrap around the back, my computer and my TV, my screen, and it will plug into there. You can see, but there's a connecting one right there too. So we'll hook that up now. And we'll have a book. Move my headphones out of the way. Alright. I don't know how well you can see that, but that is taking just close Facebook down. Yes. close that all down, and that doesn't seem to want to be working, so we'll just minimize that. Okay, so as you can see, it is now a dual screen. So that's taking the image from there and putting it on that screen. Yeah, it's working. It's not doing the best job, but I do need to adjust the settings and all that. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on the blog on how it's working on that, how long it lasts, how it feels, and if it breaks in or anything. Yeah, and I'll leave a link to the blog and everything else down there, so you can all go check that out and keep posted. Also, I will be doing reviews on basically everything here: iPhone, studio headphones, screen, charger, keyboard, which I need to get a new one because I've got this second hand off my mum and it's missing an enter button there. I also just ordered a new mouse and some other things off eBay that will be coming soon, so I'll keep you posted on how that all comes. And yeah, thanks for watching this video guys, and rate, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.